Hello everyone and welcome back to Taskade. In today's video guide, we'll be sharing how you can go back in time inside a project and restore tasks that may have been accidentally deleted or any old information. Let's jump right into it. Alright, so this is a brand new Taskade feature and it's divided into two parts. First off, we have project history. You can access this setting inside your project by simply going to the top right corner of your project and clicking on this button. Once you open it, you and your team can see the changes made to this project since it was created. These include changes made by you or any added team member inside the said project. Now, in case you'd like to recover something important that you or your teammate accidentally deleted, then you can go to the version history by clicking this button here. Version history basically allows you to either view or restore the project to any point in the project's full history ever since its inception, meaning that you can cycle among different versions of the project and go back to a version where something that is deleted in the current version exists and recover that old data back. This feature is truly revolutionary because it's only human to make an error while working, especially working remotely. And with this option, you no longer have to worry because you can always hop back to an earlier version of the same project. Really hope that this feature proves helpful to all Taskade users and that you guys like this video. If you still haven't tried Taskade out, what are you waiting for? Go check it out from the first link in the description below, and we'll be back with a new video soon. Leave a like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video, and thank you for watching.